So the highlights of the match: Tonga managed to get on the board first, but Fiji started their 11th try with the first try to their number 7, Murray, and then they just rolled from there. Tonga still, compared to their last matches, really stepped up today and scored 25 points from not only from breakaway away tries, but also from penalties. Sambula there, one of the typical Fiji Warriors try from the length of the field. Malele once again controlling the match. Number 7 there, Murray, just playing like an outside back, scoring his 2nd try. The Tongans, however, bounced back with the try to Malafu, the number 8, from a pick and go closer to the Fijian Warriors line. But again, the Fijians were just too good in the end. As we see another try from the Fijian backline, this time number 14, number 11, Bol Dolokoto. Perhaps the try of the match from the Tongans as their number 11, Makapuna, scoring that beautiful try from a Fijian lost ball. But again, Fiji kept spinning the ball out wide for their speedy backline and forwards. And the tries just keep on coming. 11 tries altogether to Tonga's 3 tries. Here the replacement players, making impact when they got on the field. And they just take the standard of the game up to another level. So we see again the Fijian backline, ball in hand, Sambola once again, and Masi scoring that last try. Vola there once again, heavily involved with another try to the replacement halfback Lulusina. But again, the Tongans never gave up. Nahe has been a hard-working number 5 for the Tongan forward, and that 3rd try from them. And Fiji the tries kept coming, and that was the last try, and bring the final score to 73-25 as we bid farewell from Apia Park at this stage of the tournament. It's the Mother's Day weekend, and